Welcome back everybody. So today we are going to be making a solitaire board. So we're going to start off by making it round using the mid-size finisher by Easy Wood Tools. And we're going to switch to the mid-size rougher. And we're just going to flatten off the bottom. And we're going to start by making a tenon so we can hold it in the chuck. So we're going to carry on flattening it off by using the number 1 hollower. And taking it to shape. Back to the finisher. Back to the tenon using the rougher. And using the detailer just so it matches the dovetails of the jaw. Alright, we're going to do a bit of sanding now. So what we're doing now is we're sanding 240. So I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just in the 240 grit here. There we go. Just going to wipe all of the excess sawdust out there with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some cellulose sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit original. There's some links down below for where you can get that. And we're going to finish off the bottom with some microcrystalline wax. I'm just going to wipe it all over. Start the lathe off slow to get even coverage. Let the fumes evaporate and turn it up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. There we go. Lovely bit of ash. Alright, we're going to get to the top now, and we're just going to take some of that thickness down with the mid-size rougher. And of course flatten it out. We're going to sand again up to 240 grit. Once again with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some sanding sealer. There we go, I've got all the holes marked out, and we're going to get to drilling the holes. For the eagle eye review, when I eventually move my arm, you'll probably notice I've missed a couple of holes. Okay, now we're just going to re-flatten the top again and get rid of any fuzzies. And now we're just going to create that little channel around the outside. I'm not exactly sure what it's for. I don't play Solitaire, so if you could tell me down in the description what this little channel's for, I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, we're going to get back to doing a bit more sanding. So once again, back up to 240 grit again. Blowing away some of the excess dust and clean out all the holes. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some cellulose sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit original. And go just buffing it in until you get a clean paper towel and you end up with the equivalent of 1000 grit. And finally some microcrystalline wax. There you go, just wiping it all over. And buff it in at 1000 to 1200. If you like this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and until the next one, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.